Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you long strategy for future. Now this is the most basic strategy where investor think the price will go up in future and instead buy call option. The maximum risk is amount paid for that, which is called as a premium, and rewards are unlimited because price can go up to any level, and the break even point will be the strike point and amount of premium paid by you. Let's take one example. Let's say Nifty is trading at 5,200. So if you buy and if you think it will reach 5,500, so you have purchased call option at 200 rupees premium per share and lot size is 50. So 200 into 50, total cost is 10,000, which is called as a premium. And ultimately it reaches 5,500. So your overall gain is 300 rupees. Out of that, you have paid 200 rupees premium to buy the option. So net profit is 100 rupees multiplied by 50 because lot size is 50. So your overall margin is 5,000 rupees and the maximum loss can be the premium paid, which is 10,000 rupees. So this was the first strategy of future. I hope you like the information. Please save the reel and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you so much.